Alright, Rob Frazier here. Haven't done a YouTube video in a while. Lots, lots of stuff going on, to include a loud truck going on outside the house. So first off, I'm going to be changing the focus of my channel just a little bit. I'm going to be talking about things I went to behind the scenes when it comes to taxes, joining various crypto deals, crypto scams, losing lots of money, making lots of money, losing lots of money, and basically where I'm hanging my hat on affiliate marketing, trading, AI, the whole deal. So first off, every single program that I recommend that I have put together in this system, I haven't put together the whole system. So for example, this right here is MLM Lead Pro. Edward Keat put the whole thing together. I put very specific programs in mine, and I'm going to get into that in this video. This is my AI-powered crypto retirement plan. And so it's based off of all of the things in affiliate marketing, list building, social media marketing, my instant cash strategy, my broke man's crypto accumulation plan, a perpetual traffic plan, everything, every plan that I ever crafted and put together during my time as an affiliate marketer and what has kept me in the game, I'm putting together in this system. And now I'm just really to a point where got my confidence back up and that I really just want to talk about it. So for a little bit, I was kind of up against the ropes with different things. I went going back to school. I'm studying psychology. I just got a lot of things going on. We're homeschooling our kiddo. He's soon to be 8. Just a lot. We got some ducks. We got chickens. We got a horse. We got dogs. We got birds, cats. Oh my. So, aside from all that, this right here is basically it. Hanging my hat. MLM Lead Pro is the list building system. It works very well with Leads Leap. I was going to say Lead Lightning, which is also step number 4. A lot of the stuff you can come in here and join for free. You can get a free MLM Lead Pro account and just start there. Get a free MLM Lead account, and then when you join me on step 2, I have my traffic plan. And my traffic plan also doubles as the broke man's plan and also triples as the crypto retirement plan. It's based off of joining a couple of crypto-based traffic exchanges and duplicating the whole process. So if you're watching this video, again, this is where I'm hanging my hat. I'm going to start talking about taxes, money. I'm going to start posting my crypto trades because I finally got to a point where everything is just firing, and it's just simply a matter of just continuously executing and educating. I know it's a lot to just throw out there, but it's a very simple plan. You get a step 1, you get an MLM Leads Pro account for free. It does come with Affiliate Mentor as step 1, but you do not have to get that just yet. You can just get your free MLM Lead Pro account, step 1, and then step 2, sign up for the traffic sources, which is Infinity Traffic Boost, which you can join for free and start promoting your business for free, and Leads Leap, which you can join for free and start promoting your business for free. Hopefully you see the theme here. But it is a value ladder, like Russell Brunson talks about. But step 1 and step 2 are free. You can promote any business with this thing. And it is a very simple, straightforward process. And I'm going to start dropping a YouTube playlist. And my podcast is going to be more about the finance side, taxes, how I got in trouble in affiliate marketing, what I was doing when I was making money, how I made the most money, all of that kind of stuff. But I'm going to do a separate YouTube playlist that's just going to take, from scratch start all the way to the finish. And what also got me thinking about this is going back to school myself. I'm going to GCU online, and I always looked at all of these instructors and how they're so organized and how they have the whole syllabus and everything put together. But there's nothing like that in affiliate marketing. A lot of people say, oh yeah, we have all the best training, but it's just nothing but a bunch of videos. And it's like, I want to do my thing just a little bit better than that. So that's the kind of stuff I'm going to be working on. I'm learning how to teach better. I'm learning how to communicate better. So there's a lot of stuff behind the scenes, and also launched another YouTube channel. So I know it dumped a whole lot. I've just been quiet. Haven't been doing anything, but I'm gonna start going crazy on YouTube like I did in the past. Just putting out what has helped me through the years. I got out of the Marine Corps 2011. I was working affiliate marketing all the way until 2015, where I had a breakout year. I made $0 for those few years. Finally got around to mentor, learned how to get traffic, paid traffic, started making money. My highest week was a $20,000 week. I was spending $5,000 a week in traffic, just off the top. Money would come in, $5,000, get wired to the traffic guy, and just go. I had a fall from grace because I stopped doing the basics. I stopped doing what brought me to the party. You know, all kind of life things was happening as well. But I'm here, I'm back, climbing my way back out of the muck and the mire, and I want to help other people do the same. So, you know, and it's the same thing. It's like, I want to make money, but I don't want to spend $9,000 for this BS freaking course over here. How can I start piecing things together where I'm at? And that's what this plan is. So that being said, get your free accounts below. Get on my email list. It's a double opt-in. Sign up for the stuff. You'll hear from me. Me. If you don't want to work with me, that's fine. There's other people doing the same thing. But I highly suggest you work with me. I'm a little biased, but you get the point. Yeah, wrapping this video up. Link is below. We will see you in the next one. Peace.